This is our online purchase system application. There are many functionalities included in this application. This includes user authentication for the store and a store system. This includes a bank account and a bank account login, items, carts, transaction history, and as well managing the user account. In the bank account, there is also withdrawal and deposit. There's a secure payment system integrated and a regular banking system integrated as well. In this demonstration, we will go through all these functionalities and show them thoroughly. I will first start with the login page. This is the first page that the users will see when they go to our website. The login page features two functionalities, which is register and login. I will first demonstrate a login with an already existing account. When the user clicks login, they will receive a message indicating that the login has been successful. Once they click OK, they'll be redirected to the home screen of our application. I will now log out and then show the registration part. In the registration part, the user is required to enter the username which doesn't exist in the database and a password. So, if I include a new username and a new password and click the register button, it'll notify the user that the registration has been successful. After I click OK, and now when I try to log in with this new information, I will also get the login successful since this user name and password has been integrated into the database. Once I click OK, I'm back at the home screen. In the home screen, there's a top nav bar with different buttons on it. I will first demonstrate the Manage Account button. When the Manage Account button is clicked, the user has the option to update their password or username. For example, I will update the new username. Confirm the username just to ensure that the user has it right. After I click Update Username, the user will be notified with the username updated successfully. And now for demonstration, I will log in with this new username. If I log out of my account and now use this new username updated by the user, I will get the login successful message again and get redirected back to the home screen.
Now I'll demonstrate on the home page where you can view the items. As you can see, this shows all the items that our store currently offers. It shows you item ID, item name, item price, item stock, and allows you to select the quantity that you want to add to your cart. I'll demonstrate adding 3 iPhone 13s to the cart right now. As you can see, 3 of them have been added, and then if I click the cart icon on the top right of the screen, you'll see that a quantity of 3 is in my cart, and it shows the total right here. Now you can also remove the items from cart. So I'll remove 2 of the iPhone 13s, and if I press remove from cart, item quantity updated successfully, and now there's a quantity of 1. I can remove the last item, and now my cart's empty.
I will now demonstrate the secure checkout process using PayPal. I have set up a couple dummy sandbox PayPal accounts just for demonstration purposes. I will start by showing you the current balance of the store account, which is shown here. If I go back to my application and add an item to the cart, when I go to the cart, I'm given 2 checkout options. This time, I'm going to be checking out through PayPal. Here, when I click PayPal, the user is going to be prompted to log in with their PayPal account. I have also set up a dummy account for sending money. Copy the email here, place it, copy the password, and place it, and then log into the PayPal account. I'll go back to my screen as well, just so you can see the whole transaction process. Here in the PayPal account, they have many different options for choosing what to pay with. I'm going to here just choose the PayPal balance for demonstration purposes. Once I click Complete Purchase, the user will get a notification saying that the transaction has been completed by John, which is the name of the PayPal account. After I click OK, we'll see that the transaction has gone through, and I'll prove it by showing the balance of our PayPal account. Once I refresh here, the balance has been updated to 16,700.
I'll now demonstrate how you can log into your bank account and view your accounts and balances. Once you click the login to bank account, it'll take you to a new page where you're able to log in or register for a new bank account. Here I'll demonstrate registering for a new account. I'll type in the new username and type in a new password and register for an account. Here it demonstrates registration successful. Now I'm able to log in. As you can see, this currently has no accounts as I have not added a new account. Now in the banking system page, I'm going to demonstrate how you can add a new account. You press add new account, and then you press your account, you put in your account number, 10 for example, and then pick either checkings or savings, and then add the new account. Now that the account has been added successfully, you can see it has a balance of 0. To increase the balance, you're going to want to make a deposit with an amount. We'll do 1,000 for now, and then you're going to want to put the account number, which is ACC1. And then you press deposit, deposit successful, and as you can see, it successfully updated the balance in the banking app. Now I'll demonstrate how you can check out using this banking system application instead of using the PayPal. So if I go to home with this new account I've created with $1,000, and then I add a new item for my cart that is less than $1,000, we'll try this item for now. Add one of those. It adds it to the cart successfully. And then I'll remove this other one from my cart so I can be under the price. And then I'll go check out your bank system, where it'll prompt me to log in once again. Now that the bank login screen has popped up on my cart, I'm able to type in my username, my password, and successfully log in. Once I'm logged in, it shows me my savings, account number, and it prompts me to type in which account I want to use to spend this money on. And then I can successfully confirm the purchase and purchase successful. And as you can see, this has been removed from my balance and I've successfully bought the item.
As you have just seen, we just completed a transaction using the banking system. I will now demonstrate the transaction history, which shows that we did this transaction. If I click on transaction history, the user can see the date of the transaction and the total, which was $2.99. I can demonstrate this again by adding another item to the cart. And now it's an $89 pressure cooker. Choose the account that I want to purchase with, confirm the purchase, and then now if I go to my transaction history again, you'll see that there are 2 transactions now since I've made 2. We have completed all the functionalities on this website. The user can now log out, and when they see the logout successful, they are logged out of the account and back to the authentication page. Thank you very much for listening to our presentation. Throughout this video, we have showed you all the functionalities of our online system application that allows users to log in, make purchases, and complete transactions securely or through the system-provided bank account. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you learned a lot about our application.